Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, chapter number 8, An Ideal Ruler. Before the foundation of Swaraj, Maharashtra was under the domination of the Adil Shahi, Siddhi, Portuguese and Mughal powers. Shivaji Maharaj struggled against these powers. He faced all kinds of adverse circumstances. He founded an independent and sovereign Swaraj. He set up a system for the administration of this Swaraj. He turned Swaraj into a Surajya, a kingdom that sought the welfare of all. Maharaj created a new order with his capability. In the course of the conflict for the founding of the Swaraj, he himself had to face many grave dangers. Events like the meeting with the Afzal Khan, the siege of Panhala, the attack on Shaista Khan, the escape from Agra, all involved a great amount of risk. Shivaji Maharaj emerged successful in all these events. No harm came to him. Organizational skill. Maharaj inspired the people around him to work for the Swaraj. His organizational skill was unparalleled, means unique. With his skill, he drew around himself brave people who were also extremely loyal. Maharaj took great care of his associates. When the aging Kanhoji fell ill, Maharaj told him not to neglect his medicines or treatment on any account. There are many instances of this in the founding of the Swaraj. Jiva Mahala, who killed Baba Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting with Afzal Khan. Shiva Kashid, who crossed the siege of Panhalgarh in the disguise of Shivaji Maharaj. Baji Prabhu Deshpande, who blocked the advance of the enemy on the way of Vishalgarh. Murarbaji Deshpande, who defended the fort of Purandar. Tanaji Malusare, who sacrificed his life while conquering Sinhgarh. Hiroji Farjand and Madari Mehtar, who risked their lives during the escape of Maharaj from Agra. Our next topic is caring for the Rayat. Rayat means farmer. While establishing the Swaraj, Maharaj had to constantly struggle against his enemies. His subjects suffered due to enemy inventions. In such times, Shivaji Maharaj used to take utmost care to protect the Rayat. At the time of Shaista Khan's campaigns, Maharaj warned the Deshmukh of the Rohida Valley not to fail in his duty towards the Rayat. He told Deshmukh to visit every village and shift people to a safe place down the ghats. He strictly told him not to delay even for a moment. He further warned the Deshmukh that if he did not thus take care of the Rayat, the Mughal army would take the people prisoner, means a person who is being kept in jail. And then it would be seen as the Deshmukh's doing. Maharaj also saw to it that the soldiers did not in any way cause any harm to the Rayat.